What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA OpenGL driver unable to recover from a kernel exception error code 3 error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you should do is go to your search bar and just type in NVIDIA control panel until you see this pop up. Click into manage 3D settings and then click into where it says power management mode. Yours is going to be on optimal, most likely power. You want to change it to prefer maximum performance. This is one of the ways to basically fix this error. If you've done this and it still doesn't fix it, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your device manager, and this most likely occurred because of a latest software update that you did on your graphic card. So you could either just Google or just check the latest one that you have and then download the prior one to it. You'd be surprised, a lot of games like Steam or COD, or there's certain games where when you're trying to basically play with a certain specific update, it doesn't work. So you want to actually use an older version or wait for a new version to fix said issue that might have happened with your current version. So you can always like right click into it, go to properties, go to driver, and always roll back. Again, you're not able to do it from this specific section, but you usually always have the option to roll back the driver update from here. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.